Today, I will tell you about the story of Royal Enfield. So, first, the company was started by Albert E.D. was the founder and the creator of the Royal Enfield bike company. So, I will tell you something about Royal Enfield. Then, they launched their first motorcycle. As you know, the first motorcycle which they launched was not popular. Yes, you're right. The bike was named as Enfield Cycle 1. So Enfield, now you will just think Enfield cycle. It is not a, obviously it is not a cycle, but that time it was called as a cycle. It was a motorcycle as such. It had an engine. So now I'll show you some images of that motorcycle. This is the first image of that bike. So like you can see, it is a good motorcycle in 1901. And then after many years, the second motorcycle they made was the motorcycle. And then came so and so bikes came after the 1901 Enfield cycle. And then a famous bike came that was named as the Inceptor. That was a good motorcycle and it got many likes by people, and many people liked it, but it was a little flop because people could not find spare parts of that motorcycle, and that was the reason it was not getting so good. So then after some time, the most popular motorcycle of Royal Enfield cycle was the Bullet, which came in 1971, and that was the Bullet. That came in 1971. The famous model of Bullet, or the Bullet, first came in 1955, but that production was just made in England. So that time it was not so popular. But after some years passed by, 1955 was passed, the year was passed, and then the Royal Enfield company was sold to Indian company, and then the Royal Enfield company in England was closed, and the Royal Enfield company in India began, but they did not have any partner. Then the Madras Motors in 1955 joined them. So that time they did not have any motorcycle to show, and that year Madras Motors presented them a design that Royal Enfield liked, and then the bike was made. The engine made by Royal Enfield and the design by Madras Motors, and the motorcycle name was you guess. I'll tell. The motorcycle name was Bullet 350cc, or the Bullet made in England was of 300cc, and it plus 50cc to that motorcycle means 350cc Royal Enfield Bullet. That was in the year 1955, and then so and so motorcycles were made, and then Inceptor came, Inceptor new model, and the famous part when Royal Enfield was over the world over India famous, that was the year 1971 when Bullet made the motorcycle named as Bullet 350 Classic. In 1971, that Bullet was so famous that nobody could believe, and that motorcycle was the best. Now I will show you an image of 1971 Bullet 350 Classic, which was the most famous. This was the bike of Royal Enfield, which was famous, the Royal Enfield 1971. Now this bike was the fastest and the most reliable bike of 1970s bike generations. This bike had a pushrod engine and opposite gears. The opposite gears caused most of the accidents on Bullet, but they did not cause more accidents. The accidents because of opposite gear were less, but most of the accidents were caused by many things, like its braking was not so good, so if animal came, so they would just bump into animals and they would die. But in the reliability rule, the Bullet 350 since 1971 was very good. In performance, it was very good, and it was going through, and the most powerful Bullet models were between 1997 from 1999. The best Bullet and the favorite Bullet and the best Bullet models which were powerful and their performance was good. So this bike had a good performance, but now the 1971 Bullet and the best bullets and the most powerful, reliable, best performance bullets were from 1997 from 1999, and the most powerful of that was the Bullet 1998. So everything was good, but then because of gangsters of India took that bikes and carried AK-47s on that, and their bikes were so good and reliable, hard bikes. Their weight was 150 kg, a 1998 Bullet, and it could carry 900 kgs of weight. Yes, you're right. So in 2003, the government banned the Bullet for 1 year. Yes, you're right. For 1 year in 2003, because of a government act, because most of the gangsters would take a Bullet and then travel on that, taking a weight of guns, barrels, ammo and many things like that. So then in 2003, the Bullet was banned for 1 whole year. The company of Royal Enfield was still working, but the model Bullet was not continued. But in 2004, when they requested that please we can launch the BS6 model, then the government said you will not add too much power to the motorcycle, and then the BS6 model of Bullet was launched in 2004. I'll show you some images of that bike. This was the bike, but it did not have that kind of power that a 1998 Bullet had. This was a BS6 model of the bike, and it was not so good. And there were a lot of problems in this bike, and the people which liked Royal Enfield started to unlike the Royal Enfield company, because then the bikes were they were not so powerful. They were weak motorcycles after the year 2003, and then that people just suggested, if you want to make these kind of bullets, then don't continue Royal Enfield Bullet. We don't want these kind of bikes so weak. But the old Bullet, you cannot say anything about the old Bullet. The old Bullet, which was a model of 1971, 1961, that Bullet can fail every company in the world. They were so powerful. But in 2004, nothing remained powerful. Everything was gone to zero. Everything was not good. But then nobody and many people started to unlike Bullet, and it was not as it was in the back times. And then a lot of problems came in Bullet, and from a bike which is 150 kgs, a old Bullet now I am talking about, when they were old, a bike which is of 150 kgs could handle 900 kgs. Yes, you're right. But then 2004 Bullets, a bike which is 95 kg, means the weight was also reduced, because then they started to use aluminium in that. Before they used iron, so then they started to use aluminium. So then the Bullet was of 95 kgs in 2004 Bullet. A bike which is of 95 kgs could handle 156 kgs. 95 kg could handle 156 kg. But the old one was 150 kgs and could handle 900 kgs. Means the winner was the old Bullet. And then the baddest Bullet ever presented was the 2018 Bullet, which was even worse than the 2004 Bullet. It didn't have any torque, power. The old Bullet, I'm really telling you the truth. The old Bullet 350 standard 1998 I'm talking about, the torque of that bike was, you will really be amazed. The torque was, now this is the image of the 2018 Bullet, but first I will tell the torque of the old Bullet. The torque of the old Bullet was 102 Newton meters, and that was a powerful bike. And this is the bike in 2020 Royal Enfield. This is 2018 Royal Enfield. So this bike the torque of this bike was just 28 Newton meters, and the torque was also very less. But after the times of 2020, the Royal Enfield is the worst of all the Bullets ever came. It's the worst, but the worst is 2018 Bullet. 2020 Bullet has increased 2 pound-feet of torque, because now the torque is 30 pound-feet. Now it is not. Now the torque is not 28 pound-feet. It has now increased. But let's see if the next Bullet model just had one torque. That cannot be possible, but it can also decrease. And that was the history of Royal Enfield. But now also, many people's dream bike is Bullet, or Royal Enfield is Zetor. And that was the secret and the history of Royal Enfield. So bye guys, we'll meet in the next video.